Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade granola. This granola only has 3 ingredients. The ingredients are oil, syrup, spray oil.
Well, that's the same oil, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that only counts as one ingredient because they're both the same.
Oats.
And these are rolled oats. Just not quick cooking, although quick cooking would probably work.
The first thing I'm going to do is spray the pan.
If you had a parchment paper liner in the little pan, that would probably work really well too, to keep it from sticking, not just spread it around. And this pan is a 6-inch stainless steel pan. It's from one of my Instant Pot stacking sets. It works really well in our air fryer. Yeah, just like that, so it coats the whole bottom.
Now I'm adding in 2 cups of oats. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of syrup. Cherry usually helps me by holding it like this. And
Oh yeah, that's right.
I can hold it.
Look at this teamwork. Love it.
Next I'm adding 1 teaspoon of oil. Now you need to stir it and make sure everything gets coated in oil and syrup. Next we're putting the oats into the air fryer at 350 degrees for 8 minutes.
And what button do you press?
Fish.
We found that the fish button worked great.
And then start. When the 8 minutes is done, then you stir and put it back in for 4 minutes. And when that's done, put it back in, stir it, put it back in for 4 minutes, and then you're done. The 8 minutes is up, and now we're going to give it a stir.
All right, Charity's gonna stir this time. Stir it real carefully.
Now we're gonna put it back in for 4 more minutes.
1, 2, now go minus, down to 4. And press start. It's like a play button.
This.
Yeah. There we go, almost done.
All finished.
There's the finished product. If you let it cool down, it gets the crispiest, but the kids usually are impatient and they just pour some milk on it and eat it a little bit warm, which they love. And I wanted to mention that this recipe is so customizable. You can add nuts or raisins or cinnamon or vanilla, any kind of dried fruit. You could just go wild with all the variations, but the kids love just plain. Charity, what's your favorite thing to have on your granola?
Cream.
A little bit of cream? All right, go ahead. That looks so tasty. Renee, what do you like on your granola?
Milk.
Almond milk?
Yes.
Yeah.
Why is it called granola?
You know, I don't know where the word granola came from. That's a good question. All right. There you go, my love.